Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, this is the first video in a brand new series where we're going to be modeling furniture. Now, I don't care how long you've been a 3D artist. I don't care what type of 3D artist you are. Chances are you have been or will be modeling furniture. It's good practice. It's cool to sell online. And yeah, it's fun to do, right? So that's what we're going to do. Now, we're going to start off with a farm table. I think that's what it's called. It's looking something like this. And in the next upcoming videos, we're going to do chairs and salon tables and cabinets and all that kind of stuff, right? Okay, let's start with the table. So we're going to grab a polygon cube. We're going to hit R. We're going to hit R. We're going to stretch that up. We're going to be working on the center console, all right? We're going to hit W, we're going to move it up here like this. Then we're going to hit Control D to duplicate, W to move, and move it to there. Grab both, Control G to group. Actually, let's not do that just yet. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do next is we're going to hit Control D to duplicate. We're going to move this over here. Oh, that's exactly what I didn't want. Let me just get rid of that. All right, we're going to move this over here, and then we're going to right-click on vertex, drag-click these, and move that over here. Now, the easy way would be to duplicate this and then flip it around, right? We're not going to do that because that will cause two sections to overlap, and that's never a good thing, right? So what we're going to do instead is we're going to right click and we are going to flip it around, but we're going to use that kind of as a mold so we have a direction, right? So I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J, flip it around. That's exactly what I just said we wouldn't do, but this will be deleted in a few seconds, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control D again, and we're going to move that out. We're going to grab these vertices and we're going to move that down here, and then we're going to move this in place. F to frame. Let's make sure the bottom is sitting correctly. Yeah. Then we're going to right click on the vertex, drag select that one. We're going to put that up here. We're going to put that one down here. And let's hit 4 on the keyboard so we can see it a bit better. So that looks pretty clean to me. All right, cool. So now that we have that, we need the second part, and we can use the same thing. So we're just going to go to object mode, hit Control D to duplicate, and we're going to move that up and move that over here. F to frame once again. We're going to move that right up there. Then we're going to right click on the vertex, drag select. We're going to put that up here. Then we're going to go down here and we're going to move that right in here. So now that we have that, we can go in here and select the one we don't want, which is that one, right? And now it all looks a little bit cleaner. It's a bit fussy, but you know. Okay, so we're gonna grab this, we're gonna go to mesh and combine, go to top view, hit W, hold on X, and snap that to the center. And there we go. So that's our starting point. Now we need to have a horizontal section here. So we're gonna grab another cube. We're going to hit R, we're going to pull that out, until we're happy with the overall length of the table. That's a bit much. This should be good. All right. Then we're gonna squish that like so, and we're gonna pull it out. Maybe a little bit thicker. And then we're gonna make sure it's a clean fit. Like that. All right. How are we doing so far? Okay, cool. Now we got that, and what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this, and we're going to move it up. And there you go. Excuse me. Then we need to have two T sections at this end. So we're going to borrow this guy, Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J, flip it around, and we're going to bring that in to, let's say, about there. Hit W, move it over, hit F. There we go. Control D to duplicate, W to move it over here, and again we want that to be a close fit. All right, we want these two at the bottom as well. Control D, W to move down. Hit F. And there we go. Okay. Now what we want there is, let's see, I'm just looking at my reference here. What we want is to take these corners. So I'm going to grab this, mesh and combine, and we're going to go to edge, and we're going to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here I want the opposite ones, obviously. All right, we're gonna hit R, and we're gonna slope that in like so. All right, and now we're basically going to take a replica of that we do not slope, right? So we're gonna go to object mode, we're gonna go to mesh and separate again, and I'm gonna grab 1, 2, 3. We're going to Control D to duplicate, W to move up. And let me tweak that a little bit. So this guy needs to be a bit wider. Yep, like so. Then this guy, let me see here. That guy should have the same width, but should be a bit longer. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click, go to edge, and grab these edges until they are straight again. Come on. I'm doing it with my mouse, so that's a bit jittery. Sorry. All right. So that's good. And then we're just going to copy that over. So this guy is going to be copied. Control D. Move that over to that end. Hit F to frame. Make sure it's connected. Let's go to modify and center pivot. Like this. All right, then we're going to select these three. We're going to Control D to duplicate, W to move down, and check that we have a good connection. That looks pretty clean. Yep. So we have all that. Alrighty, then what we're going to do next is we're going to create some blocks, and these blocks will go underneath here. So we're going to grab a cube. Let's move this forward. Let's hit R and then squish it like this. Hit W, move that in here. Let's have a look from this view. Pretty spot on. After frame, that's going to go in here, and I'm going to keep a tiny spacing open like this, and then we're going to Control D to duplicate, and we're going to do that again and again, a very tiny gap in between the two, and then we're going to go in here and select both, Control D to duplicate, W to move, and then we're going to grab all of this, Control D to duplicate, W to move, check those. Yeah, looks good. So we got blocks on all four. That's nice. Then we need some vertical columns. So we're gonna grab another cube. We're gonna hit W. We're gonna move that in here. We're gonna move that up. Hit R. Pull that out. And let's go and have a look from this point of view. So we're gonna hit W. We're gonna move that over. To, let's say, right there. Move that up. Go to vertex, drag select, move that up like so. Then we're going to go to object mode. Yep. Control D to duplicate, W to move that over. And let's have a look. That is exactly aligned with that line. So we'll do the same here. Okay. Then we're going to grab both. Control D to duplicate. Move that over. Have a look from this view. And we're going to move it until it's symmetrical. There you go. So this is what we have so far. Then what we need is to have the boards on top. And in our example, there are 4. Let's see if that works out. We're going to grab another cube. And we're going to have that stick out, of course. Nothing crazy. Let's say something like this. That seems to be a good width. Height is too much, of course. Don't make it too thin. It's a farmer's table. Maybe a bit more on the width here. That should be about right. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate, W to move, and we're going to have some spacing here. Don't go crazy, but some, right? Then I'm going to hit Shift D and Shift D. So we have 4. And I want to see the proportions of the table to decide whether that's enough. That's a bit thin. So I think I'll do one more, right? So let's see if I can still do that. Probably not. Nope. So what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this. I'll grab this, Control D to duplicate, move it over, do a little gap, and then do Shift D, Shift D, and Shift D. So we have 5. And then we're going to go to the top, we're going to go to mesh and combine, and then we're going to hold down X, and we're going to snap this to the center, and then we're going to bring it down onto our table. All right. Alrighty. Now what I do recommend is to try to round over the top edges, right? So we're going to go in here, and I'm going to do that from here. I'm going to drag select all these edges and then deselect these edges. So we only have those, right? Then we're going to bevel, and let's do 0.03. Let's see how that looks. That's a bit minimal. 0.08, maybe 0.1. 0.1, that's doable, right? Okay, so we just finished our first object, a farmer's table, right? So that's how easy that can be. And yeah, we're going to do a lot more. Like I said, we're going to do chairs, we're going to do cabinets, we're going to do all of that stuff, right? So hopefully you had some fun in this video. If you don't want to miss out the next videos, then make sure you hit that sub button, all right? Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.